structure in this country is so unique and no one else in the world I've experienced this so personally. Today I have an appointment at Terrazzo Pork Farm, a pork breeder known for breeding a wide range of fish called Concord pork. I want to find out more about the oldest breed in the world and decide to look for support pork, especially fish that are used to breed based on successful genetics.
Haba din ng